Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
My name is Donna from Howard Court number 19, and I'd like to send Christmas greetings to my husband Joe, my daughter Danisha, my son Nicoy, where are you? Jaden, Nathaniel, my KFC number 19 staff, friends and family. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
My name is Blossom from number 19. I would love to send greetings to my husband, Liebert, my two gorgeous sons, Javane and Jermaine, my daughter-in-law, Bridget, my mom, Esmilda, otherwise as Miss Milda, my nieces, my nephews, sisters, and brothers. Sending greetings to KFC number 19 from Montego Bay. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
My name is Cynthia. I'm sending greetings from number 19, Oracle KFC. Greetings to all my family, my children, and my grandchildren. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Hi, my name is Valencia from the Oracle Boulevard KFC. Sending greetings to my aunties, uncles, nephews, nieces, cousins, my son, my father, my mother, and on behalf of me and the KFC family, Merry Christmas.
Hi, my name is Larisha Simit. I'm sending season greetings to all of my families and friends. My two beautiful daughters, Haley and Gabriel, my beautiful husband, Gilbert Watkins, my mother, Kay Samuels, my father, Denford Simit, and my three beautiful sisters, Shanalee, Odette, and Tanisha. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
My name is Hesmerle. I'm sending season greetings to my two sons, Robert and Cregan, the KC family, and the rest of my families and friends. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Season greetings from the number 1950s. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
Celebrate being together with a KFC Festive 9 bucket for $4,500. Proceeds from each Festive Feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.